Hello guys, today I'm gonna make this video for you. It's gonna be about how to make cash using paper call. A lot of you gonna say, I've seen a lot of your videos and you always have the same thing. Yes, because it works. In a month, making over $21,689. This is the reason I'm keep talking about this. If you don't believe, let me refresh for you. Let me refresh the screen for you, and you can see this amount will stay intact. I'm gonna show you why you're supposed to take my coaching about making money with paper call. If you don't see my recent videos, it's because I'm busy. I'm a real estate investor, and I'm on the make money online niche, and I'm a blogger, full-time blogger. So sometimes I don't have time to make video for you guys, and I have a lot of coaching. So every day I have at least 2 hours coaching for at least 6 people per day. So you can imagine. So that means 12 hours in my day to coach people about paper call. So you can see this amount. You want to see how to make this? Okay, let me show you quickly how this money is possible. If it is your first time to this channel, make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss any video that we're gonna upload in the future. So let's go to the video now and show you why you're supposed to take my coaching with pay per call. Let me be clear. My coaching is very expensive. If you just take the training, you have the basic about pay per call. For people who take my training, they know after the training they can make the very first 1,000 online. Let's go to the coaching right now. Hello guys, one more time. That's the coaching one-on-one pay per call affiliate marketing. Why people like my coaching? When they are in my coaching, they say, you're making more than one coaching. It's like I take the whole package of affiliate marketing and give it away in my pay per call coaching. What I did, I teach you how to create your first website, and I help you step by step to create your first website, and your website gonna be like mine. If you wanna see what type of website I will help you create it, go to my name, type princeherly.sylvester.com, and you will see the example of the website that I'm gonna create for you and the coaching. You will need $100 for the website to pay for your hosting and all this stuff. And after, I will help you create your landing page and apply with Market Call, Offer Globe, eLocal, all the network related to pay per call to get accepted. When you be accepted by them, I'm gonna help you to run campaign for different offers and get you approved quickly. This is what I do with all my students. And I will teach you step by step how to create conversion inside of Google. Let's see an overview of the training, of the coaching if you want to take my coaching. Let me tell you, my coaching is $1,500. $1,500. If you want to make money with pay per call, take my coaching, and you will say me thank you after. And I have all of my students keep sending me screenshot of them making money with the pay per call with some ads in Google. So let's see an overview. So who I am to say that I'm gonna help you making money with pay per call. My name is Sylvester. I am a real estate investor, a web marketer, a social media influencer, an affiliate marketer. I've been generating over 300,000 in the last 5 years using affiliate marketing and content creation. For pay per call, I've generated over 100,000 online using this business model since 2020. Today, it is my pleasure to share some of my knowledge with you. As a disclaimer, any result in this training are not typical. You will need to put effort and determination to generate any of them. Pay per call affiliate marketing coaching, this is the coaching that I'm gonna make with you guys. So you will understand why pay-per-call is the best affiliate marketing business to jump in, because it is easy to convert just with a Google ads related to pay-per-call. Someone calling a phone number, you make $50 for every 60 seconds. This is what I'm gonna teach you. Why pay-per-call business model? If you're looking for a proven model that doesn't take months or years to make you make profitable income, if you have tried other business model that fall flat and require a large investment to get started, then I think pay-per-call might be just the business by simply making people call in a phone number and you make money. This is what it is. So with my coaching, I'm gonna take you by the hand step by step and help you make your first conversion. Hear what you will get in my training. I will do an intro about pay-per-call, what it is. We're gonna see the different pay-per-call business models, how to choose the best pay-per-call affiliate network, how to choose the best pay-per-call offer that will convert and get you approved for them, how to get your campaign approved by pay-per-call network like MarketCall. I will teach you step-by-step Google ads, call-only ads for pay-per-call. I will teach you Facebook ads, lead generation for pay-per-call affiliate marketing, and we'll use social media like Facebook, Pinterest, Twitter, TikTok to generate a lot of calls for your pay-per-call offers. And I will show you at the end how to use Craigslist traffic for pay-per-call affiliate marketing to generate a lot of calls. So the intro will be a definition in depth about what is pay-per-call. As I said, pay-per-call is a type of performance marketing where an advertiser pays publisher, also known as affiliate or distribution partner, for quality calls generated on the advertiser's behalf. So put simply, pay-per-call track calls the same way performance network tracks clicks. Here's how it works. Advertiser create marketing campaign designed to drive prospective customers to connect over the phone. A publisher then launches this call-based campaign and get credit for the calls they generated. So anytime you run a campaign and you generate calls, this is how everything works. So here's the scenario. The scenario, advertiser create the campaign, the pay-per-call campaign inside of MarketCall, eLoco, OfferGlobe, or all the affiliate network related to pay-per-call. You as a publisher, you apply to them. That's the sixth step of the pay-per-call. And as the publisher, you apply, they approve you, you start publishing, and number 3, you publish a one calls-based campaign. So I will teach you how to run call-based campaign in Google Ads and all other platforms. Customers on the internet see phone number and call is tracked to the publisher and marketing campaign. So the publisher, when someone call, you get credit because it's the call from the when you publish the ad on Google. Anytime someone call, you get credit for that because the call is being tracked, and the call is connected to the advertiser, and you make money. This is how simple it is. So I will explain you why invest in pay-per-call. This is gonna be all the info that we're gonna teach together. I'm gonna show you the different pay-per-call business model in depth, and we're gonna see how to choose the best pay-per-call network like MarketCall, OfferGlobe, and all the other platforms. And I'm gonna show you how to use the best offer that will convert. I'm gonna show you how to get your campaign approved inside of MarketCall or inside of any other affiliate network. And I will teach you step by step how to run Google ads, call only ads, where someone will see only your ads, your phone number, the phone number associated with your ads, and they're gonna call using this phone number. And I will teach you. So that's the whole things that we're gonna see together. So guys, I'm gonna teach you all these things if you take my coaching. And after you're gonna say me thank you. If you're struggling with a job that you hate and you don't like, keep watching. If you are someone If you are someone struggling for a job that you hate, a 9 to 5 job where you don't like the boss, you don't like the job, you're doing something against your will, you don't really like what you're doing, this training, this coaching will be the best one for you. So my coaching is 1,500. 1,500. If you refer 2 people to my coaching, I will make a discount for you. You will pay only $1,000. This is how it is. It is me personally, step by step, that gonna do this with you face to face. I'm gonna keep your hand. I'm gonna help you make this, and you will have all the recordings of these videos, this coaching, so you can go back, watch them, and make sure you master every step. And the bonus is I'm gonna give you, I'm gonna create a website completely with you that's gonna be your website even after the coaching. If you don't want to do pay-per-call, the website will still be there. You can post blog posts on it. You can continue to do affiliate marketing. I hope this video inspire you, and if you want to be part of my coaching, click the text me on my Skype, which is Prince Herly. It's PRINCEHERLY @gmail.com. That's my email. And at the same way for the Skype, it's PRINCEHERLY .Sylvester is SYLVESTRE. If you want to make money with pay-per-call, I am a proven coach, and I help thousands of students making money. A lot of people in Nigeria and Africa, they love me because they are making a lot of money. And you know, the US dollar is very high in this country. When they make 1,000, they are like a boss over there. So I teach a lot of them, and they are making serious cash over there. If you want to be part of this, make sure you contact me on Skype, and let's talk together, and let's make some money. Bye-bye.